What is up, guys? Our first stop is the J&P Constantino Family Farm that is the last working orchard in San Jose. Got my little sister with me today.
Hello.
We're gonna be checking out a couple of other family farms too along the way. Today so happens to be one of the pop-up shop days. So we're gonna be checking out also some cool vendors. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. They have the freshest fruits. My personal favorite are the mulberries, strawberries, and one of the most popular when in season are the peaches. They also celebrate and support other small businesses and local farms. Now we did get some delicious gelato and some sweet sourdoughs. We're gonna try out some mulberries. Yeah. Be careful with your sweater because it might leave a stain.
Oh, girl.
Eating jelly out of a stick.
No, even better than that.
If you're in the South Bay, check them out at ConstantinoFamilyFarm.com. Alright guys, we got our little... Oh, you wanna help me with this?
I think it's a maggot.
They call it the nest box here.
Yeah.
You got it?
Oh yeah, this is not even that heavy.
Yeah. So it's a cute little farm in San Martin where you get to feed the animals. Keep in mind, times that they're open, well, they'll be open to Wolverine because on the weekends they do have events. So they might be looking at doing appointment only. Dude is hungry.
Oh.
Here, you want me to, I'll take this one away. I'll take this one away for you, okay?
Okay.
This is what they want, see?
No, they want.
No, see, look, he knows. What's up, little chicken choo choo? Yeah. Things first, you gotta feed them. Oh, they are at my feet right now. before they start taking out the cup. Here, you want to give them the last of them?
Yeah.
Take them far away.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, eat the whole thing. We got big old tusks. Want somebody? Chomp, chomp down. Chomp. There you go. Hey, no, Mr. Chicken. I'll put some in there too. Hey, no. If you guys can see it, these chickens are like flying up to the basket. They are hungry. All right, I'm gonna throw you guys some lettuce in there too. Yeah, you gotta be careful. They got some chompers on their teeth. Look at that. Look at boy. Look at boy. You got big old teeth, boy. I can't leave this down because they will come after this basket. So I'm gonna separate this lettuce. Toss it over. Yo, the chicken took its lettuce. Oh, he took your lettuce, bud? Right here. I'm not gonna put. Oh, okay. I'm gonna throw it over here because these chickens are like aggressive, man. Hey, you almost got your head chopped, my boy.
He's trying to bite my hand. He's not eating.
Oh, this guy's gonna want some. He's gonna want some. Yes. Oh, it's the baby. It's the miniature horse. It's a beautiful little white horse. Hey, you want to feed her? Here, feed her. I'll give you this one. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you, champ. What are their names? What's their names? You're a unicorn. Look at her teeth.
Yellow.
He's a crest white.
I'm so scared.
No.
It's scary to feed them.
Put some down here because the small piece you can just toss them in so you don't bite your finger by accident.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, got a little windy now. We're all out of feed.
They're hungry.
You're hangry. Now That was fun. Did you have fun, Munchkin? Yeah, it is like probably the first time I've been to a farm like this where you get to feed them live feed. What's up, guys? Our next stop takes us to the Ardenwood Historic Farm, which was once owned by George and Clara Patterson, a large farm estate which functioned as a farm since the 1850s. Yeah, we're all the way in the back.
Ay, sí sabe.
Check this out, guys. This was built in about 1925. The lower floor, which would be this one, was a storage room, and the upper floor was a bedroom. The tank on the very top stored up to 5,000 gallons of water, pumped from a 100-foot deep well. And this right here is the famous Patterson House. And they do offer tours during specific time zones. So if you ever do come by for a visit, definitely check out the schedules to see which time works best for you.
Please, in this room. There's enough room for us. Okay, welcome to the Patterson House. The Patterson House was built by George Washington Patterson on the right-hand side here. George was born in 1822 in Pennsylvania, and then his family had moved to, so on the floor, there's the original parquet floor, 5 different types of wood, all done by hand because there weren't any power tools in those days, and the little black spots are rusted nails. This is the original carved mahogany fireplace mantle here over a coal burning fireplace. And the cards would have cost about 10 cents. See? Everybody got the stereoscope. You push down on the button like this, and the penny gets saved.
Alright guys, this about wraps up this episode. It's been a lot of fun, going out to find these unique spaces, these hidden gems of family farms. I look forward to covering more, and right now I'm cooking up something very juicy and special for you guys. So stay tuned for the next episode. And I'll see you guys next time right here on Poodle Travel.